Hello, ma'am. Welcome to Reggae Cafe and Lounge.
Hi.
And you have ordered for a Continental Sizzler, which consists of a piece of chicken, grilled chicken, two sausages, some veggies, and French fries and a fried egg.
Yes.
So, how you are liking the food, ma'am?
I love it. I absolutely love it. I have been here so many times and it's a wonderful atmosphere. The ambience is great. The food is excellent and it's a great place. It's a new place which is for the family, for friends and everybody. And I've always come here and it's been run by a woman entrepreneur who I think is working very hard and is doing a wonderful job. I urge everybody to come here and try their food. It's great.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.